Big news! You're in the right place, because today we're introducing something that's set to transform e-recruitment on a global scale. Say hello to Tara Nawa, a leader in innovative e-recruitment and e-procurement solutions, now giving you unprecedented access to our powerful e-recruitment database. What's the deal? We value and protect all sensitive and confidential information, but we're inviting you to experience the cutting-edge features of our database with an exclusive sneak peek at what makes it a true game changer. What's next? It's easy. Click the link in the description of this video to explore live, regularly updated data and see e-recruitment in action. The link is always active, so you can check in anytime and discover how we're revolutionizing the way job seekers and employers connect. Spread the word! Let's spark a movement. Like this video and share it with your network, friends, colleagues, and beyond. Let's create excitement about this incredible platform designed to bring job seekers and employers together seamlessly and efficiently. And wait, there's more. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned because even more groundbreaking updates are on the way. Together, we're building a brighter future for opportunities worldwide. Let's go! Revolutionize your hiring with Tara Nawa's game-changing application evaluation tool. At Tara Nawa, we don't just make hiring easier, we make it effortless and smarter. Say goodbye to time-consuming shortlisting and hello to a tool designed to identify top talent with precision and speed. What makes our tool your ultimate ally? In just seconds, it evaluates applicants based on key criteria such as ranking and qualifications, location, fields of study and education level, gender, race, age, and disability status, employment history, including previous employers and current status, expected salary. Spot the talent you trust with our exclusive ex-employee filter, which highlights candidates who've worked with your company before, ensuring you don't miss familiar, reliable stars. Beyond the technology, Tara Nawa doesn't stop at advanced tools. We offer optional due diligence services so you can be sure your candidates are verified and qualified. Want deeper insights? Our psychometric assessments cover behavioral tendencies, personality traits, integrity checks. Empower your hiring decisions with confidence. With Tara Nawa by your side, you're not just filling positions. You're building a future with the right people in the right roles. Ready to transform the way you recruit? Tara Nawa is here to lead the way. Looking to land your dream job? Welcome to Tara Nawa's channel, your partner in career success. Here, it's all about you. We're here to inspire, guide, and help you take bold steps toward the career you've always wanted. From finding the perfect job to creating a CV that shines and crafting a cover letter that gets noticed, we're by your side every step of the way. This is more than job hunting. It's about fueling your confidence, unlocking your potential, and celebrating every win, no matter how small. Keep striving, keep growing. Love what we're doing? Give us a thumbs up. It means the world. Know someone chasing their dreams? Share our videos and let's spread the motivation. When you do, you're not just creating opportunities for yourself, you're opening doors for others too. And don't forget to subscribe. Every tip, trick, and story we share is designed to help you move closer to your goals. With every video, we're cheering you on, no matter where you are in the world. Signing off with excitement and encouragement, we're rooting for you every step of the way. Until next time, take care, dream big, and remember, greatness is just one step away.